Hey guys, this is Tahara and I'm back with another natural hair video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do this chunky flat twist protective style. To begin styling, I started off with stretch hair. This hair is about a week old, but I like to get one more style out of it before I wash it again. Then I did a side part on the right side of my head, and then I parted it down to the left side of my ear. To start flat twisting, I section off a medium section of my hair. The products I used for this hairstyle was the Lotta Body Moisturizer, Cream of Nature Snot Gel, and Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I always love the Lotta Body products because they are very moisturizing and affordable. Then I detangled my hair. Then to start flat twisting, I started from the top and gathered two small pieces of hair and twisted it around each other and connecting the other pieces of hair to it. It can be challenging sometimes to get a straight part in the back, so what I do is use a handheld mirror and reflect off the mirror I'm already using to do my hair with and to see where I need to fix my part. I moisturized and detangled again. Then to start flat twisting again, you start from the top and gather two small pieces of hair and start twisting them around each other and connecting the pieces of hair to it. Bobby pins to pin it in the way I would like for it to look. This is the finished look, you guys. I love hairstyles like these because you can just wake up and take your scarf off and not worry about styling your hair for the day. Let me know how you like this hairstyle in the comments below, and please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Tahara with 2 underscores. Thank you, and see you next week with another natural hair video.